Welcome to UvaTech. Today we will see the question numbers from 903 to 906 of SSC JEE Electrical Engineering Paper 1, which is conducted in the year of 2018. I request you all to subscribe our channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. Let us see the question. First question: what is the SI unit of dash? The options are: first option current, second one voltage, third one power, fourth one is resistance. So the correct answer is power. We know that the SI units of the various terminologies, the current SI unit is ampere, voltage SI unit is volts, and the resistance SI unit is ohms. So the correct answer is power. So the what is the SI unit of power? Next question is: which one of the following is the correct expression for the electrical power? The options are: first option VR, second option V by R, third option V square R, last option V square by R. The correct answer is V square by R. So as we know that for the DC power, P is equal to V into I. So instead of I, if we substitute V by R from the Ohm's law, we can get it as V square by R. Let us see the next question. So it is a problem, very simple problem only. What will be the resistance of a resistor when the current through the resistor is 2 amps and the potential difference between the ends of that resistor is 40 volts? So they have given the voltage and current values and they are asking us the resistance value in ohms. The options are: first option 20 ohms, second option 10 ohms, third option 30 ohms, fourth option 40 ohms. The correct answer is 20 ohms. So as we know that as per the Ohm's law, at constant temperature, V is equal to I into R. So we need the resistance value. So R is equal to P by I. So which is equal to, we have to substitute that voltage as 40 volts and the current as 2 amps. So 40 divided by 2, which is equal to 20 ohms. So the last question, the question number 906. What will be the cross-sectional area in square meters? We have to mention, means meter square, of an 18 meter long cylindrical wire when the resistivity of the material is 0.67 ohm meter and the resistance of the wire is 12 ohms. So here we need to find out the cross-sectional area A. The given options are: option 1 2 means 2 meter square, option 2 3 meter square, option 3 1 meter square, and option 4 6 meter square. So to find out the answer, we should apply the resistivity formula. So for the cylindrical wire, if you want to find out that area, you have to apply the formula of circle, A is equal to pi r square. But here the given cylindrical wire, they have given the resistance values and the resistivity values, also the length of the wire. So we have to apply the resistivity rule. So resistivity is equal to rho L by A. So we need to find out the area. So area is equal to rho L divided by r. So after substituting, if you deduct, we will get the answer as 1 meter square. So the correct answer is option 3, 1 meter square. Thank you.